Do you want to know how to automatically search YouTube to find channels who have been re-uploading your videos? I'll show you how to do that coming up next. Thanks for joining me today. I'm digital artist Aaron Rutten, and it is my mission to help creative folks like you optimize and grow your YouTube channel. That's why today we're looking at YouTube's new copyright match tool. The new copyright match tool can magically scour all of YouTube, and it can find all of the channels that have re-uploaded your videos. It puts all the videos in a nice handy list, and you can manage all of those issues really quickly and easily. It's much faster than doing it the old way where you had to actually find a video or have somebody tell you, hey, by the way, somebody uploaded your video over here, and you just happen to come across it. Now you can actually just get all of them automatically. So let's take a look at how to do that. So I'm here inside of my Creator Studio beta. To get to that, you go to your top left to your account. You click on My Channel. That brings up your YouTube channel page. Then you just click on Creator Studio. That brings up the old Creator Studio. Then you'll click on the top left on YouTube Studio Beta. And here in the YouTube Studio Beta on the left, we go to the Copyright tab. And now Copyright Match will be showing us a list of all of the videos that it's identified as being 100% or partially ours. You can see the title of the video over here on the left. Then you can see how many views each of those videos has received. You can see the date that that video was uploaded and who uploaded it. And you can see how much of the video matches your video. Now, all of these match my video 100%. So some of them say 60, some of them say 20. I looked at the video, they are 100% my video. So this match percentage is not 100% accurate. To the right of that, we can see frames from the video, so we can tell what's going on in the video and see that it's ours. And we have some actions. We can move it to the archive, we can request that the video is removed, or we can message the channel to contact them and ask them to take it down. So archiving a video would be just kind of ignoring YouTube Copyright Match's suggestion and saying, you know what, I don't mind that this video was re-uploaded, or it's fair use, they're using part of my video for commentary. There's actually one video in here that is from one of my friends who has a YouTube channel, and so that one I've gone ahead and just archived. But the rest, those are just straight re-uploads, so I'm going to choose the second option and have those videos removed. Now the third option is you can contact that channel yourself and you can work it out with them without getting YouTube involved. You'll have to make a judgment based on each video, but this is a pretty easy decision for me because these are all just re-uploads. So I'm going to take a look at one of these videos here. We can see that John D here re-uploaded one of my videos about Infinite Painter. It's not commentary, it's not like he added it into his own video, he just straight up downloaded it and re-uploaded it, with the hopes, I assume, of probably getting some views or who knows why, but not cool, John. So let's go ahead and just flag John's video here. We'll request video removal. And then this is really nice. It automatically puts in all of this information for you that you had to type in manually when you wanted to remove a video prior to this tool. It still requires 4 or 5 clicks, but it's definitely a lot faster, especially if you have a lot of videos that you have to remove. You can go ahead and enter all the information that it requires here. It does say that it will keep your address and phone number confidential. Now, if we scroll on down, we can see an option for removal timing. We can choose scheduled, send a 7-day notice, or we can choose standard, request removal now. So the 7-day notice gives the uploader 7 days to remove the video and avoid a copyright strike. If they don't, the video will be removed after 7 days. If you choose standard, then that's going to request a removal immediately, and these removals can lead to a copyright strike. YouTube processes the video removal after validating the request. Copyright strikes are not good for your channel. They can lead to your channel getting demonetized, they can prevent you from live streaming, and can ultimately get your channel taken down altogether. Personally, I think if you're just straight up re-uploading other people's videos to try to get money or to try to get views, you deserve a copyright strike. If you think the person maybe just made a mistake or just, you want to give them the benefit of the doubt, then you could choose 7-day notice. I'm just going to choose to have these removed immediately because a lot of them have been up for a while. So I'm going to go ahead and click on submit, and bam, that video has been flagged, it's going to get taken down, and that channel might receive a copyright strike. Now I know you're thinking, gee, Aaron, that was kind of harsh. Why are you going to give people copyright strikes? Well, take a look at this video here. This video that I took down actually has gotten around 30,000 views, which is a big chunk of views. I'd like to have gotten those views for the video that I created. Who knows how much ad revenue it earned? And if we take a look at the channel, I can't read exactly what this says here, but I'm assuming this is promoting some sort of tech channel or something like that. And this person has obviously uploaded a lot of other creators' videos as well. Hopefully these creators find out about it and can do something about it, because it's not cool to create a channel based on other people's work. It's one thing to use fair use and create parodies of people's work or comment on it, but you can't just re-upload other people's videos. So fortunately for me, there were probably only about 16 videos that I had to remove, but this is really awesome for me because honestly, I probably would never have known about most of these videos. So I think overall, this is a great feature for YouTube creators, but you do want to take into consideration too that if you're creating content that is based off of other people's work, it's now a lot easier for those channels to find their work in your videos. So I would make sure that you're being very careful about using fair use practices wisely. Otherwise, your video risks being flagged. So I've gone ahead and removed all the re-uploaded videos. We can see there's no results and matches here. If we want to, we can look at the removal requests tab and we can see all of the videos that we've had removed, including ones that we've removed using previous methods. If we've sent messages to creators, then we can look in the messages tab to see those here. And if we've archived any videos, we can see those here. For example, I archived this video by Torin278 because he's my buddy and we had an agreement about how we were using this video since we're both in it. So there you go, that's how you can automatically search YouTube to find channels who have re-uploaded your videos. Hopefully you didn't have too many issues with people uploading your videos, but if you did, now you know how to resolve them. If you found this information helpful, take a quick second to like this video, and if you want to see more tips about optimizing your YouTube channel, make sure to click that subscribe button and enable notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.